Oh, fine. See, we discussed right now. Instance operator also like MIC operator. So just now I told you, right? So we are going to check this condition where we are going to check is instance operator we can call. So whenever the object type, suppose there is a class A, class B is there. If you want to compare object type, right? So their condition instance of method we are going to use. Conditional operator means question mark, expression 1 and expression 2. In this before expression 1 we are writing condition, then expression 2 execute if it is true. If it is false, expression 3 will execute. Instance of is a operator, so that we are going to check whether that related to specific object or not. These are the major operators. Now clear, right? What is all operators are? Arithmetic operators plus these are incremental, right? Subtraction, addition, division, percentile, plus plus. Coming to relational operator. So this relational operator we are going to check that operator equal to condition, not equal to, greater than, less than or equal. Logical operators and are not equal, not condition, right? So bitwise operators are bitwise and, bitwise are, bitwise exclusive are, left side, right side. Based on this, we are going to check. In the backend, it is going to check the total logical. So integer types, long type, string integer, characters. Bitwise operator perform operations bit by bit. So means it will convert backend. So how the bytecode will convert, right? The bitwise operators will work. So it will convert zeros and ones and it will compare. That is the main logical program. Assignment operator always will be, you know, right? Increasing the values and all. So more than, it is not like more than that. So compared to MIC operator, there are two operators. One is instance operator, another one is condition operator. Based on condition, statement and true will execute. These are overall part of
Operations.
yes, operations. Now you can see bitwise operators. So bitwise operators we already seen, right? Plus C plus, these are the bitwise operator. Now you can see what is going on here. So how it is executing, you can see. See what is 16? If A and B, if A and B, right? So means what should be print here? What should be print here actually? It is true, right?
Yes.
See, now you need to understand. See, A and B. Clear, right? See, it is clearly stating what it is saying. The operator and undefined argument type. Let's see what we. Now you can see here A and B, right? C is printing. A and B, so it's internally checking bitwise operator. So it will convert. So it is giving, so how it is storing the backend. 50 plus 25, it is storing 16 bits. Clear? It is printing how this is storing in bit, how many bits it is occupied to store the value. Clear or any doubt? See, it is internally checking how it is performing the bitwise operator. You can see YouTube, then you will understand more on that. Okay.
Okay.
So try to understand this bitwise operator, but most probably we are not going to use in any real time. We are going to use arithmetic, logical, and assignment operators. So finally we discussed about MIC, right? One is the expression, another one is instance that we are going to use. This is we want to check that bitwise conditions. You as of now it's not required. Just you can see that, no problem. This is MIC operations. You can see. Now A into A comma B defined. B expression we are defining. A equal to see you can see, right, what we are assigning. B control Z. This is one statement. B double equal to A equal to 1. See, if it is satisfied, then what will print? 30 will print. If it is not satisfied, 40 will print. You can see that. You can see that. See, value B is 40, value B is 30. If these both are same, because A equal to 1 we are assigning, then again we are giving B equal to A. So then means 20 equal to 20. Then what it was printed? Here, what we are assigning? We are assigning 1. You can see the output. B is initially 40 because it was not satisfied. A equal to 20. A double equal to 1 here they are checking. This is the false condition, right? Clear or any confusion?
Yes,
so then it is going to 40. Now you can see A double equal to 20. So this is true condition, right?
True condition.
So true condition. So A equal 20 because, so then what will happen? This will come to here and it will print. See this A equal to 20 we are assigning. Means this condition is satisfying. Inside the B, the value 20 is assigning.
Yes.
So then 30 is printing.
30 will print.
Yes. First 20 will assign this B equal to 20. Then B equal to 20 means condition satisfied. Yes, that is what we are doing in this. So any doubts as of now?
In real time, where will we use this MIC operator?
So this will use based on condition you are going to satisfy. Most probably this is also less we are going. Always if else, while, do, while, for loop, and that logical operator, arithmetic operator we are using. Real time, right? That's what I am saying. If XYZ condition A greater than 20, or directly you can mention. Some expression we need to give, like how it was given, like right earlier. If something A equal to 25, like this.
Then 30 will.
Yes. So here we need to change the values.
Value.
Yeah. So this is the expressions we are going to use in real time. You can see bitwise operator and expression instance also. See, expression 1, then expression 2, expression. See, out equal to, here int A into B, there is a output parameter. A double equal to Y, yes or no. So you need to like this string out, output. You mean to say output. Output A double equal to B, then yes or no. You are getting right? Means if both A and B equal to, if A and B equal to both are same, then yes, or else no. You can see what we is printing no, because it is a it's no, it's both are not same. Now you can see two early. Run as Java application. Yes, right? See here, string A1 is study tonight. Boolean B1 equal to A1 instance of string. So is this instance of string right? It is verifying A1 is the object of string type or not. That's why it is satisfied.
మనం డైరెక్ట్ ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ కండిషన్స్ లో కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు.
రాసుకోవచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇన్స్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ XYZ క్లాస్, సో we are trying, right? It is won't print. This condition will go for if else also. If else if condition, then yes, or else no. The same way expression also writing. Nothing is more than that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so try to practice this all operators and show me the programs tomorrow. After that, we are going to discuss comments and we'll start class, object, inheritance, polymorphism, and all. It will take around 3 days. So after that, we will go for JDK 1.8 feature. After that, we will start Spring Boot.
Okay.
So try to practice for all program.
Okay.
Example,
Pampistan. I will send a mail.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks for joining.
అన్న నిన్న ఉన్నది కొంచెం ఒకసారి పెట్టండి అన్న వీడియోస్ సరిగా లేను.
పెడతా.
సరే అన్న, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Okay.